Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, you can call me LH, and this is my first video on this channel, which is about game development. And I would like to get some of the basic groundwork cleared first before we can get started with any of the game development part. I am a student and a game development enthusiast. I have made around 5 games in total using Scratch, Unity, and Godot. It all started in the lockdown when in a boring lecture where my professor was teaching us C++ and I was scrolling through Scratch. I saw some blocks like if else and a forever loop block and could suddenly connect to the lecture and suddenly had an urge to dive deeper into Scratch. And that's when I created my first game. It was called Mr. Computer. It wasn't very good, but I had some sense of accomplishment, and it was created without any tutorials. And that's how I started my game development journey. As I have mentioned earlier, I have used Scratch, Unity, and Godot, and this channel will be about game development and how you can create your own games. So let's have a quick rundown of all the three engines. Well, these are the three of the most popular game development platforms out there, and they cater to different level of experience. Scratch is perfect for beginners, just like I was back then. Scratch is a block-based programming language. It has a drag and drop interface, which means you can create games without typing a single line of code. Scratch is great for creating 2D games, but you may believe it or not, it can also create some good 3D games. And the platform has a vast library of sprites, sounds, and backgrounds that you can use to create your games. Let's talk about Godot. Godot is an open source software that's gaining popularity among game developers. Godot is completely free. It supports 2D and 3D game development. It uses its own language, which is GB script. It is very similar to Python. Godot has a user-friendly interface, and it is also an active community of developers who contribute to the platform. Some really good games are created on Godot. Finally, moving on to Unity. It is one of the most popular game development platforms out there. I mean, if you have to enter game dev, there's no chance you haven't heard about Unity. It is a powerful 2D and 3D game engine that allows you to create games for different platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even consoles. Unity uses C# as its programming language, which means you need to learn coding to create games with Unity. It has a steep learning curve, I'll admit that. Like when I was following the tutorial for the first time, I deleted the project in less than 10 minutes. It was that tough. But once you get the hang of it, you can create some amazing games with it. So those are the three game development platforms that I'll be covering on this channel: Scratch, Unity, and Godot in future videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, I'll meet you in another video where we will explore the world of game development together. That's it from my side. Peace out.